Building a forex trading plan that works. A well-structured forex trading plan is essential for any trader aiming for consistent success in the market. People that say that they lost a lot of money to the market, I wonder if they have a trading plan. You lost money, you sold the first car, you put the money in forex, you lost it, sold the second one, sold the third one, and then other family inheritance, you put it in forex, and then you lost it. An individual told me some time ago, though I don't know about him before, we met, and he said he lost $10,000 to forex trading. That was because he didn't have a trading plan. That was because he was greedy. That was because he was fearful. That was because he didn't learn the rules, money management and others. I cannot handle $10,000 and I'll lose it to forex. I was discussing with another forex trader who told me he bought a Sienna with the money he made from forex. He got the money and he took it directly to Lagos at the Apapa Wharf or thereabout, and there and then he bought the car and he drove it down to Ilorin. Why? He said, and then we're discussing, he said yes, he have lost money in forex before, but he said he can never blow any account again. He has learned a lot. So building a forex trading plan is one of those things that will help you in forex trading. A well-structured forex trading plan is essential for any trader aiming for consistent success in the market. It provides clear guidelines, disciplines, and a roadmap to navigate market fluctuations while managing risk effectively. In this video, I will give you a comprehensive guide on how to create a trading plan that can increase your chances of profitability and longevity. Number one is define your trading goals. Start by setting realistic, specific, and measurable objectives. Whether you aim for long-term wealth accumulation, risk hedging, or income generation, your goals should be clear. Include target returns, capital growth, risk tolerance, and a timeline for achieving these objectives. Having concrete goals keeps you focused and motivated. Number two, choose your trading style. Select a trading style that matches your personality, schedule, and risk appetite. Scalping, very short trades, high frequency. Another trading style is day trading, trades within the same day to no overnight positions. Then swing trading, hold positions for days or weeks. Then position trading, long-term trades based on macro trends. Your style influences your strategies, time commitment, and analysis methods. Be consistent with your choice to develop skill and confidence. Number three, develop a clear strategy. Your trading strategy should include market analysis tools, technical indicators, chart patterns, fundamental news, economic events. Then it should also include trade setups, specific criteria for entries, exits, stop loss, and take profit levels. Then trading signals, conditions that trigger trade entries or exits. Then instruments and timeframes. Focus on specific currency pairs and analyze on suitable charts, e.g. daily, 4-hour, or 1 hour. Creating detailed rules and visuals, charts, screenshots enhances consistency. Number four is risk management. Effective risk management is vital. Define maximum daily or weekly loss limits. Use stop loss orders for all trades to limit downside. Then determine position sizes based on account size and risk percentage, commonly 1 to 2% per trade. Then employ a favorable risk-reward ratio, e.g. 1 to 2 or higher. Then good risk control protects your capital and sustains you through drawdowns. Number five, create a routine and trading checklist. Establish a daily or weekly routine. Conduct pre-market analysis. Review economic calendars and identify potential setups. Stick to your trading hours and avoid impulsive trades. Use checklists to verify trade setups, risk levels, and plan adherence. This discipline ensures consistent and objective trading. Number six, keep a trading journal. Document each trade with details like entry and exit points, trade setup and reason, emotional state, outcome and lessons learned. Regular review helps identify patterns, weaknesses, and improvements over time. Then number 7, monitor, review, and adjust. Markets evolve, and so should your trading plan. Periodically review performance metrics, profitability, drawdowns, win rate. Adjust strategies based on changing market conditions. Avoid over optimization. Keep your plan realistic and robust. Maintain a flexible yet disciplined approach in your trading. So I'm going to move to the conclusion, which is to say that a successful forex trading plan is not static. It evolves with your experience and market conditions. The key is discipline, following your plan consistently, managing risks, and continuously learning from your trades. With a solid plan in place, you can move from emotional, impulsive trading to a systematic, confident approach that increases your chances of long-term profitability. Building and adhering to your trading plan is the foundation for sustainable success in forex trading. I do money management in forex for people. So if you're interested and you have capital or you have money you want to put in a trading account where I will trade and then make 20% minimum every month, which will be shared between myself, who is a trader, and yourself, who is the investor. And then we keep trading, and every month we're sharing the 20%, and your capital is still in the market. So if you're interested, send me a DM and let's chat and discuss the modality, and then we can take it up from there. This is available for new traders, experienced traders, or even pure traders that have many accounts in their hands and they want to move some of their accounts to somebody else that will help them to trade. I have good experience and I have traded for people before, and I'm currently trading for people, and I'm making good profit from the trades. I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video, and keep coming back to this channel for more. I have made a lot of videos on the forex trading, and I want you to take advantage of all these videos and go over them. If you are an experienced trader or you've learned forex trading before, all these videos are going to serve as good revisions for you. So I'm not charging you any fee for this training, and all I want you to do for me is to share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more. So until I come your way in the next one, please have a good day and watch this next video from my channel, which is showing up now. More peeps.